Since 2020, we've been seeing pictures of vapes being sold for millions of dollars, and this has made headlines ever since it became a part of the mainstream. So, this leaves us wondering, what exactly is an NFT, and how to invest in NFTs? Hello viewers, in this video, not only are we going to explain to you what NFTs are, but we'll also give you 7 tips for getting started with NFTs at the end of the video, so make sure you watch it all the way through. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly are NFTs, and what makes them so powerful? NFT is short for non-fungible tokens, and they're basically cryptographic assets on a blockchain, which are distinguished from each other by metadata and unique identification codes. And what exactly makes them non-fungible is that they cannot be traded or exchanged at equivalency like cryptocurrencies are. You should remember that NFTs cannot be replicated, and that is one contributing factor to their power. They are one of a kind. I mean, who wouldn't want to own an asset that is so unique that there is no equivalent to it? They can represent real-world items, such as property or artwork, even music, images, anything. And when these tangible assets are turned into NFTs, they're tokenized in such a way that there is no chance of fraud while buying, selling, and trading them. NFTs are created through minting, and all the information is imprinted on a blockchain. The information of the NFT is validated by a validator and is then recorded. It is this minting process that assigns ownership of the NFT by incorporating smart contracts and also managing transferability by doing so. Each token contains a unique, one-of-a-kind identity. And here's another interesting fact about NFTs. They're breedable. That's right, guys. Before to go ahead, if you find out this video informative, kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This video is going to be more interesting, so stay connected. They're entirely extensible, as you can combine one NFT with another to create a third, new and unique NFT. And some actual examples of NFT projects are Roboterra, Tomadodge NFT, Bored Ape Yacht Club BAYC, and Battle Infinity NFT. So viewers, what makes it so powerful and important is that owners can add certain attributes concerning the asset and metadata to the NFT. In simpler words, artists can sign their digital artwork in the metadata, which sounds pretty cool, right? Now you must be thinking, why are all the popular, cool NFTs you've seen worth millions? Well, the same reason a Picasso painting can be worth $200 million, or gold and diamonds are super expensive, yet people own them. Scarcity and uniqueness. If something is so unique that it is irreplaceable, and it is not even scarce, it's just straight up one of a kind, then it's bound to cost a lot. And guys, the story of NFTs is actually quite interesting, because initially the NFT tech was described as colored coins back in 2012, and was actually designed for issuance on Bitcoin because Ethereum wasn't created yet. And eventually, NFTs evolved into a more developed idea. It was only after the launch of Ethereum that NFTs gained popularity. And by 2017, many new NFT projects were seen, which serve the purpose of granting investors insight into this new crypto asset. And later, NFTs were incorporated into multiple games in the metaverse, and one of the first countries to explore this further was Decentraland, where players were able to mint gains and derive value from them. And today, NFTs have become a lucrative investment opportunity and include various assets such as art and even real estate. And some of the popular NFT projects include the ones I've mentioned before as well: Roboterra, Tomadodge NFT, Bored Ape Yacht Club BAYC, and Battle Infinity NFT. Now let's talk about the future of NFTs as an investment opportunity. Earlier last year, Wall Street Journal published a shocking article, according to which NFT sales are flatlining. This led to a whole debate regarding the future of NFTs, and people were really concerned about whether NFTs are still a lucrative investment opportunity. In order to get an answer to this, it's important to first understand what the value of NFTs relies on. It's basically dependent on three factors: community, culture, and utility. One of the best examples of this is the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which uses an active community comprising art block and crypto punks, which pushed it forward into the cultural realm. Along with this, through the utility of gaming NFTs, they depict how innovation can occur in space. And the simple answer to NFTs as an investment opportunity of choice in the future is yes. Because despite the fact that the NFT market is slightly volatile, it has immense potential. Even the volatility is beneficial at times because it provides investors with a chance to develop strategies such as buying low and selling high, creating the possibility of huge profits. And now it's time to tell you how to actually invest in NFTs. But before we begin, subscribe to our channel to stay updated with everything related to crypto and of course NFTs. And now, to make it easier for you to understand, I'm going to tell you how to invest in NFTs in 6 simple steps. First, you have to choose the NFT you want to put your money on. It's actually the most fun part and feels like shopping because you're navigating the marketplace to find the perfect NFT to start your collection with. There are multiple marketplaces such as OpenSea, Rarible, and Axie Marketplace. Next, you have to create a cryptocurrency wallet that is compatible with the NFT you've picked. If you already have one, then you may skip this step, but make sure the wallet you have or create is compatible with the cryptocurrency that is required to buy the NFT you've got your eyes on. And some good wallet options are offered by MetaMask, Ledger, and Coinbase Wallet. Here's a little tip for all the beginners out there. Creating an Ether-compatible wallet is a good first step because the biggest NFT marketplaces accept Ethereum's Ether as the cryptocurrency for NFTs. After that, you have to fund your wallet with cryptocurrency. You can fill up your digital wallet by purchasing cryptocurrency using US dollars or even any other currency. The fourth step is connecting your wallet to an NFT marketplace, whichever marketplace you've picked. Once you connect your funded wallet with it, you'll be able to see the cryptocurrency balance in your wallet, which determines how much cryptocurrency you have available in order to buy your chosen NFT. The next step is finally buying an NFT. Once you've got everything set, you can just click the buy button, and the NFT is yours. But if you think it's way too simple, then here's the catch. You may even need to bid for an NFT, and the higher you bid, the higher your chances of getting it. The last step is confirming the NFT transfer to your digital wallet. Once you click the buy button or bid the highest on an NFT, you become the official sole owner of it. Congratulations! And the NFT remains yours until you decide to sell it because blockchain transactions are not reversible or cancelable. And when you finally see the NFT in your digital wallet, consider the transaction officially completed. The digital asset you now own may increase manifolds in value or get you huge returns when you decide to sell it. It's a secure, semi-anonymous investment. However, remember that it comes with its own risks, just like any other investment does. And there are, of course, potential risks and chances of losses. The question that's probably going around in your mind right now is, are NFTs actually a wise investment? Can I earn a lot of money here? Or am I just going to lose it? Well, there are certain risks when it comes to NFT investment, but there are also many benefits as well. In order to give you a better idea and let you decide the answer for yourself, let's talk about both. The pros of an NFT investment are that anyone can invest in them, and the ownership is secured by a blockchain. People anywhere in the world can buy NFTs, and you can sell your NFTs to a person on the other corner of the world with little to no trouble. And the asset ownership is extremely secure since it's registered in the blockchain. The biggest pro for investors and collectors is the element of uniqueness. If the digital asset is irreplaceable, there's a high chance that it can be sold for a high value. Plus, if you're an artist, then you can sell your digital art as an NFT for the price you want. But remember, that would mean giving up ownership and handing it over to the person who buys it. The cons of investing in NFTs are the high risk associated with it. It's fair to say that NFTs and cryptocurrencies are high-risk investments, which means you can even lose everything in an NFT. Plus, you need to maintain your digital wallet, because if you struggle with technical aspects, you can't reap all the benefits from NFT investment. Despite all the risks associated with NFT investment, investors still buy NFTs, even for millions. The key is to remember that NFTs by themselves are not investments. In fact, the value is associated with the underlying asset. Now, finally, we're going to give you 7 examples of NFT investment ideas. First, you can invest in Roboterra, a play-to-earn crypto project where you can create and sell NFTs. Second, IMPT. You can trade carbon credits here and help fight the climate crisis while investing. The third is Uncharted, where there's more chance of high returns. And then NFTs you've bought there can be sold on secondary marketplaces as well, which means they don't come with a lock-in period. Fourth is Dodge, which is an NFT and meme coin project where NFTs can be used to participate in the digital ecosystem. Fifth is Kaki. Holding NFTs in this virtual lifestyle club is not just an investment example, but you can also have access to the music events hosted by Kaki. The sixth example is investing in real estate NFTs. You can buy both physical and virtual land and use the NFT token to trade it and generate profits. Besides all of these, buying Bored Ape Yacht Club BAYC NFTs is also an option if you've got a little extra money lying around. Lastly, you can invest in digital art. NFT digital art is actually the most popular form of investment. And if you're an artist, you can create your own art and sell it as NFTs on digital marketplaces, such as OpenSea. So guys, before we end this video, I want to talk a little about the current state of the NFT market as well as its future. The NFT market has actually slowed down over the past couple of months, and the hype has considerably died down. But don't worry, because new features and low fees show prospects of stability. And with new use and token standards coming up, the chances of recovery have improved. SkyQuest, the international NFT market, predicts a growth up to USD 122.43 billion by 2028 at a CAGR of 34.10% from 2022 to 2028. But don't get too excited at these stats, guys, because the market tracker actually shows the NFT selling graph going downwards. But still, it won't be fair to say that NFTs are out of business. Instead, they're evolving for the future market. So this was all about NFTs and NFT investment for now. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to become a pro in crypto trading and NFT investing, then make sure to watch our next video for more tips and financial recommendations for NFTs. See you in the next.